In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your workflow by effectively managing comments in your Microsoft Word documents. This is a helpful skill to have, especially if you frequently collaborate on documents with others or need to finalize a report that you plan to present or share. Let's walk through the process step by step and ensure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. If you're like most people, you probably have Word pinned to your taskbar or have a shortcut on your desktop, making it easy to access. Once you've launched Word, locate and open the document you'd like to work on. Now that your document is open, let's navigate to the Review tab, which you'll find at the top of the Word interface, along with other tabs such as Home, Insert, and so on. Clicking on the Review tab will provide you with a suite of tools designed to help with document editing and collaboration. It's a useful space for tracking changes, adding comments, or comparing document versions. Once you're in the Review tab, focus your attention on the Tracking group. In this section, you will notice a button labeled Simple Markup. Click on the drop-down arrow next to this button. This reveals several options for displaying comments and edits in your document. We are interested in selecting No Markup. By choosing this option, you effectively hide any comments, which can tidy up your document view and make it easier to read without the distractions of editorial notes and changes. This doesn't delete the comments, it merely hides them for now, allowing you a clear view of your document's final form. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to clean up the visual clutter of comments and edits in your document by using the No Markup feature. You can always return to this feature to toggle between viewing all markups, simple markup, or no markup at all, depending on what you need at the moment. This flexibility is great for focusing on writing or preparing a document for a presentation. Remember, the Review tab is an invaluable resource for anyone working in Word, primarily when dealing with documents that require team collaboration or in-depth review. If you need further assistance with any of these features or a refresher, don't hesitate to revisit this video or explore more resources available in Word's Help section. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope this tutorial helps you become more efficient in your document management tasks. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow.